People of Uganda, I'm talking about the conflict between Acholi people in Apaa and the Madii in Adjumani. This conflict is created by the politician, both sides. This politician, I know for sure, they know there's something good in Apaa land. They want to create this conflict between these two tribes, Acholi and Madii, so that government can declare Apaa land as a game park. And they want a big kickback. I know promise has been made already. That's why they're trying all their best to create this conflict. Madii people and Acholi people were living peacefully long time ago. Even they lived together in Apaa land those days. Now, these politicians, they are coming up with a great evil plan to divide these two tribes just because they want a big kickback after when they succeed in this evil plan they are trying to bring in Apaa land. People of Madii and people of Acholi, we need to be united. We need to bring peace among us because these politicians, both sides, they will use us as a condom. At the end of the day, we will be damned because when you use condom, you cannot keep in the pocket and reuse it for the second time. So we need to be a brilliant people. We need to be a brilliant tribes, Acholi tribes and Madii tribe. We need to be brilliant because politics is a dirty game. So these politicians, they will play with our mind to bring conflict so that they achieve what they want at the end of the day. We need to be as human beings. We need to think before we act. This conflict, why is coming at this time? If we are to ask ourselves, actually people have no bad art with Madii people in Adjumani. But this politician, both sides, politician in Adjumani and politician in Apaa, they are the one creating this. So when they come to us, we need to leave them alone so that they should not succeed in this fight. Because at the end of the day, what they are seeing is the big kickback. The big kickback for us, we don't know, but for them, they are after that big kickback. So people of Madii and people of Acholi, let's sit together, let's unite, let's bring peace, let's stop this conflict, which is created by the politician. At the end, we shall bring peace back. This is my message. We are Ugandan. We should stop this tribalism. Let people of Apaa stay in their land. Let people of Apaa have peace in their land. Politicians, watch out. I know when the truth comes out, the people will leave you. These two tribes will come against you. You politician, you need to stop this evil plan about these two tribes so that they have their peace. This is a warning.